Have you ever wondered how people make money while they sleep? Today, I'm going to show you how to build your own passive income stream. Imagine waking up to money in your account. Hey, I'm Gangadhar, and welcome back to the channel. Hit that subscribe button for more tips on personal finance. We're diving into 5 proven methods to generate cash flow. Whether you're looking to quit your job or earn extra cash, this video has something for you. Before we jump into passive income streams, let's clarify what passive income really means. Simply put, passive income is money you earn that doesn't require you to be actively involved. It's about setting up systems that generate income for you, even when you're not working. Think of it like owning a rental property. You put in the initial work, but once you have a tenant, the rent flows in every month. Building true passive income takes time and effort up front, but the rewards are well worth it. Start earning passive income through dividend-paying stocks. Put your money to work and own a piece of successful companies. Invest in dividend stocks to receive a portion of company profits. Earn passive income by holding these assets. Reinvest dividends for a steady income stream. Research companies with solid profitability and dividends. Diversify across sectors to minimize risk. Let's talk about a dynamic avenue for passive income: creating a blog or a YouTube channel. Perfect for those who love to create and share knowledge. It requires more upfront work, but the earning potential is higher. Choose a niche you're passionate about and create valuable content. Monetize through ads, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and products. Your content generates passive income even when you're not creating. Steady stream of passive income. While peer-to-peer lending carries some risk, it offers a potentially higher return compared to traditional savings accounts.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got
from your expertise. Let's talk about real estate, the holy grail of passive income streams. Purchase rental properties to collect monthly rent payments. This can cover your mortgage and generate passive income. Over time, property appreciation builds equity and wealth. Building a passive income stream takes time and effort, but once it's set up, you can earn money with minimal effort. Start with dividend stocks, a blog, peer-to-peer lending, an online course, or real estate. Choose methods that align with your interests and financial goals. Which of these ideas are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more content. Thanks for watching and good luck on your journey. See you in the next video.